Hello mga ka-beauties! Nandito kami ngayon sa Ontario International Airport kasi magkakaroon na naman kami ng cruise. So mag-start kami, kaya nandito kami ngayon kasi we're going to Seattle kasi nandun yung cruise ship namin. Pero may layover kami sa Sacramento and diretso na kami ng Seattle. And then mag-stay muna kami ng overnight. Tapos the following day mag-join na kami sa aming cruise sa Seattle. Magkakaroon kami ng parang family bonding. Family ni Jane, family ni Glance, and Lee Rose, and Gatsby, and of course family ni Nancy. Kaya parang masarap ito. Okay, so I'm so excited now. Okay, see you again later. Bye for now. Hi everyone. This is the cruise. 17 kami lahat. Gatsby's family. Basically, Quincy's children is complete in this trip. So this is Seattle. Now we arrived today. This is our cruise. Norwegian bliss cruise. We're just waiting for the rest of the group, and we will be checked in. So welcome to Seattle. And this is a 7-day Alaska cruise. Yes. We will show you how beautiful the port, and of course our Norwegian bliss ship, and those are the big buildings. Okay, bye for now. So mga ka-beauties, nandito tayo ngayon sa observation lounge. Kasi our room is not yet ready, so everyone is gathered here to wait. But this is a very nice house kasi parang may reception din siya. Nandito yung room family. Ang ganda ng Seattle, no? Ayan ang view na yung pinaka-city ng Seattle. Nandito si Nancy at si Talita. Hi! Ito, and the whole family. And then this is the, we can have drinks, whatever drinks we wanna have. At saka syempre, meron silang mga dessert dito, mga food. And here, you can choose whatever you want. There's a lot of people waiting. Okay, we just got in and we're in Savor Restaurant. This is the Amina family. Matt, Justin, and this is the Giyu family. We are 17 in the ship right now, and with +1. Hi, Doreen. And the K-Pauls, including me, Anita, and of course, Sagana and the Gumban. Thanks Gatsby for doing all this. This is Pinay Quincy's. Okay guys, mga beauties, we're celebrating the 21st birthday of my daughter, Onika Ihat Salita, and of course my other son, Genesis, and also my beautiful pamangkin, down here. Oh yeah, of course, Glass. And then my...
She turned 22.
And Abby, of course.
The four of them,
and Jane, of course. Yeah, Jane.
All of them I love so much. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Manhattan Restaurant. Manhattan Restaurant in the Breeze. Mga ka-beauties, ito yung sa loob ng ano namin, ng Norwegian Cruise Line. And then, ito yung ano, kasi nandun sa baba na yung casino. So, tingnan mo yung kanilang lighting effects. Grabe, ang ganda oh. Super talaga. Ganda. Yeah, see that? Oh. And then, nandun sa baba is the casino. And then, do you know that mga 4,500 passengers lahat ang nandito sa ship ngayon, nag-cruise. Okay, bye for now. So mga ka-beauties, ito ang duty free ng ship namin, na Norwegian Cruise Line. Nandito sila. Yan, there you go. There's Bigas. There's Bigas. Jalita, Lorraine, and Happy. Yeah, they're trying to get something, and then this one is the jewelry. Right now, we're here at Juneau, here in Alaska, because this is also one of the best tourist attractions. And if you can see the glacier that everybody is wanting to see, and then of course we're here together with the family. Okay. So beautiful people. Ito yung sinasabi nila na glacier, very famous tourist attraction here in Juneau, the capital of Alaska. So the family is here, and then if you could see, ang dami talagang tao. Ayan o, no? Kasi nandito kami sa tour bus. So yeah, so this is the one here. See, look at that. So this is the one. So mga ka-beauties, magagaling lang namin sa aming tour pa sa glacier. Lumabas kami dito para makita namin yung view ng glacier. Ito yung pinaka-highlight ng Juneau, which is the capital of Alaska. So ngayon, nandito kami kasi mag-dessert kami. Bali ito yung aming dessert ice cream at saka gelatin. Nandito kami ngayon sa buffet. So check ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung view. Okay mga ka-beauties, nandito tayo ngayon sa tinatawag nilang Sugarloaf Mountain. Ito yung pinaka-tourist attraction dito na, kasi nagkaroon kami ng bus tours. Kasi nandito kami ngayon sa Sitka, Alaska. So, ayan, kaya tingnan mo kung gaano kaganda. Nandito yung whole family, of course. Palagi kaming grupo pag nag-tour kami. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung mountain. And the beautiful Abbey. Then here, look at that. Look how beautiful. My God. Ganda talaga. Oh, ganda. Yeah, there you go. Wow. So, and then look at that. So, ito. At ito yung bus namin, Sitka Tours. Okay? So, ayun. Okay. Bye for now. So, mga ka-beauties, nandito kami ngayon sa La Cucina Restaurant dito sa aming cruise, dito sa Norwegian cruise liner. So, nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant nila. Grabe, tingnan nyo, overlooking siya, overlooking sa kasi nagsiselling na kami. Yan, sailing again for another port tomorrow. And then, ito ngayon yung, makita ko sa yung view. Tapos, ito ngayon si Alexander. Say hello. course, si Jane, ang ganda, o, naka-dress to kill. Ang gwapong si Luel. Well, ang gwapo mo talaga, Well. Nandun din sila, yung family ko. Nandun yung family ni Matt, Clans, si Abby, and then si Justin.
Unsa may mong ganahan dyan?
And of course, family si Rose, si Gatsby, tsaka si Vigats, and then Genesis, and Laurel Lane. So yan, we're still waiting. Model pa lang kami, we're still waiting for food. Pinapakita ko na sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung view, yung restaurant nila kasi nandito kami sa labas. Okay, overlooking. Of course, ito yung aking beautiful and very generous sister. Nancy and Talita, with my beautiful niece. And so, we're waiting. Yeah, that's why ginigyohan ko talaga kasi grabe ang ganda na La Cusina, fine dining, okay. So, nandito na yung main course namin. Ito yung Osso Buco. Ito yung talagang masarap maggawa. Ito yung sister ko si Sonia kasi taga-Italy yun eh. Kaya talagang specialty niya yan. Ito siya, Osso Buco. And then this one is the grilled salmon, Italian style. Okay.
Hi, welcome to I think it's called Puna, Alaska, and we're in Icy Point, Alaska, I think. But I'm not sure.
Wow, that's good. Look at that. So there's a lot of people. Yeah. So mga ka-beauties, nandito na kami sa gondola ride. So bali, umaakit na kami doon sa pinaka-tuktok. Tapos dito sa Ice Strait Point sa Puna, Alaska. So ito ngayon yung view of left and right. So yun, this one. Okay, so marami din sumasakay. Okay. Nandito kami ngayon sa
Icy Strait Point, and we're taking the
This is the
gondola. The gondola is going to downtown
to the city,
shopping center.
Yeah. Beauties, after 1 mile walk dito sa, umakyat kami sa gondola dito sa may forest nila. So ito lang, nandito kami ngayon. Ito pala yung kanilang hidden lake na sinasabi. So ngayon, after that, bababa na naman kami another 1 mile, and then sasakay na kami ng gondola pababa. Tapos babalik na kami sa aming ship na Norwegian Cruise Line. Okay, bye for now. Hello mga ka-beauties, welcome to Ketchikan, the salmon capital of Alaska. Okay, so we're here now. This is our day 6. Day 6 today. So ito yung kanilang pinaka-downtown. Ang dami talagang tao ngayon. Kanya-kanyang pa-picture. Okay, bye for now. Bale, ito ngayon yung mga, andito pala yung lahat ng mga cruise ship, naka-dock pa yung sa amin, medyo malayo, kaya nag-bus pa kami. So, pag makikita nyo, so ito yung kanilang pinaka-shopping center nila. Ito yon. So, there you go. So, mga ka-beauties, nandito kami ngayon sa City Park ng Ketchikan, Alaska. So, bali ito yun kasi nag-tour bus kami. Kasama ko sila Jane, Luel, Nancy. Kami, nag-tour bus. Kasi yung ibang grupo namin is kanya-kanya kaming kung saan kami gustong pumunta. So, ito yun.
Hi, beautiful people. We're now here on our 6th day cruise to Alaska, and we are in the 3rd fine dining restaurant with the whole family. We have the Capel, Quincy and Alex, the Mina family, the Gudillo family. So and then the kids, there are 6 kids, which are no longer here. And the fine dining, which is taste.
The taste. Okay.
So I'm having the lobster tail and the rib steak for tonight.
What are you having lunch?
Herb crusted rotisserie chicken.
What are you having?
Tilapia. Fried tilapia with potatoes.
Paella and Vanessa. Paella.
Mga ka-beauties, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na lechon. So, you know, dito sa buffet, pati dito may lechon kasi maraming Pilipino eh. Halos lahat ng mga nag-work dito. Ito nga Filipino. Say hi! That's a whole roasted duckling pig. See? Okay. Beauties, last day na namin ngayon dito sa aming cruise, and so our boat is sailing kasi papunta na kami ng Victoria, Canada, and kaya nandito kami ngayon sa buffet kasi marami din tao nag-buffet. Maganda kasi may specialty sila ngayon. It's kind tawag na lechon. So tignan mo kung gaano ka. Ayan, puro lechon yan, no? Isang buong pork, baboy talaga yan, pork, tapos inaano talaga nila. Tapos, of course, aside from that, ang daming varieties talaga ng pagkain nila. Ayun, kahit pwede kang mamili. Tapos, yung mga bata naman, may kanya-kanya na lang kami ng kung saan namin gustong mag-dinner. Pero mamaya, bababa kami pagdating namin sa Victoria, Canada para at least makita namin yung place. Okay. So, beautiful people, tingnan mo kung gaano kaganda yung mga buildings nila, oh. It's an old building, but so beautiful. So, yun, naglalakad kami with the family. Monica Pier din ang dating. Tapos ito yung sinakyan namin na narrated place na bumaba kami kanina for after a 7 days cruise. So pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung gaano kaganda yung place. Okay, bye for now. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Starbucks, the first ever Starbucks in the whole world. Kaya ang daming tao. Pila, pumipila. So mga ka-beauties, nandito kami ngayon sa Carlisle room. restaurant dito sa Seattle kasi dito kami mag-dinner together with the family. Actually special kasi nandito pala yung husband ni Ging na
From Seattle.
Husband ko. So nandito siya naki-join sa amin kasi dito siya nag-work ngayon. So say hello.
Work and
And then of course with the family, kaya lang marami nang nauna si Gasby, nag-fly na kasi di ba dito kami nag-disembark from our cruise, 7-day cruise. So bumaba na si Gasby, they have to fly today. And then si Nancy din yung sister ko, nag-fly na din today. Tapos kami, tomorrow kami lahat. So okay, so ito ngayon yung mga food namin. Same thing, mga
salmon,
hamburger,
mushroom burger, chicken schnitzel.
So, mga ka-fitness, before nagsa tayo kayo sa monorail together with the family. So, ito yung Space Needle. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-tourist attraction dito sa Seattle. Tapos if you could see, nandoon merong elevator paakyat if you wanna go up para makita mo yung view ng the whole of the city of Seattle.